Watch me create scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnails in 9 minutes. I'm gonna sit down and make 2 of them from scratch, right in front of you, start to finish. And the reason I wanna do it this way is because I think a lot of you have heard that AI can make your thumbnails, but you haven't actually seen what that looks like in real life. So today, you're going to. We're gonna take 2 videos that are already crushing it on YouTube, model their thumbnails, put me in them, and have 2 finished scroll-stopping thumbnails by the end. We're using a tool called Hooked AI, and there is a free trial linked below just for you so you can build right alongside me. I'd really go open it now because this is the kind of thing that clicks the second you try it yourself. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Let's get into it. Before I start clicking, I want to talk about why this matters so much because it's not really about thumbnails, it's about your time. And here's something that kind of shook me first when I read it. Creators spend on average around 7 hours of work for every 1 to 5 minutes of finished video. 7 hours, and a big chunk of that is the stuff around the video like the thumbnail. People think designing one is a quick 30-minute Photoshop job, but once you add in finding a reference, actually building it and redoing it a couple of times, you're easily looking at 2 hours per thumbnail. 2 hours for one image. And the other route isn't much better. If you hire an editor, you're paying around $40 a thumbnail, plus the waiting, plus the back and forth. So whichever way you go, the cost is there. It's just hidden in either your wallet or your calendar. So the question I started asking myself was simple. What is my time actually worth? And is this really the best place to be spending it? And honestly, the answer was no. Every hour I lost to thumbnails was an hour I could have spent filming, writing, or just living my life. That's the whole reason a tool like this matters. It's not just cheaper than an editor, it gives you back your time and lets you put that time into stuff that actually grows your channel. So let me stop talking and show you how to actually use it. Grab the free trial link below if you want to follow along while I build these. All right, now let's actually build one together. Once you're signed in, you want to click on generate on the left-hand side. Then it walks me through a simple 4-step flow. First, I'm going to model a thumbnail that already works. For this one, I'm pulling in Nisha's financial literacy video. There's a big bold financial literacy text. There's her in the frame, clean and high contrast. It has millions of views, so the format's clearly doing its job. So I am just going to copy the link by clicking this, click on share, then copy the link over here, and then go back to the thumbnail editor and then click on paste. So once you paste it, it pulls the whole layout in so you can confirm that it was the correct video that it copied. You also get a quick green check to show that it saved. There's also an optional box underneath where you can drop in your video script, which helps the AI understand what your video is actually about. So the result matches your topic instead of just copying hers. So if you have it, paste it in, then you want to click on next. Then I drop in a photo of myself. So I'll click on choose files and then paste over a thumbnail photo. So here is a little tip that I always use. If the thumbnail I'm modeling has a certain pose, I'm going to try to match it in my photo. So Nisha's got a strong composed look in hers, so I could either upload a photo with a similar energy, but it's definitely optional. It just helps the AI line everything up and the final result can look a lot more natural that way. Then I'm going to click on next, and for the description, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to tell it, keep this financial literacy layout, big bold text, me in the frame, high contrast and punchy, and then I'm going to click on generate. And the great thing is there is a countdown timer, so you know when your thumbnail is ready and you're not waiting, which is the best part. And it's typically less than like a minute and 20 seconds. And now the thumbnail has finished generating and you can see the bold financial literacy text, me sitting in the frame, the whole look matching the reference, but it's me now instead of Nisha. So I want you to stop and think about how long that took. I pasted in a link, uploaded a photo, typed 1 sentence, and that's it. No hour in Photoshop, no editor, no waiting on a draft, a thumbnail that would have eaten my whole afternoon done in about a minute. That's an afternoon back, and that is only one thumbnail. Think if you need to generate, I don't know, like 100 thumbnails in the future, think about all the time that you are going to save just using this one simple tool. So one thing I want to show you guys before we do our next thumbnail is this was the first version. So there are different version histories. So the first version was already perfect and crisp, but you can also upscale the image. So this one kind of, I just put in a another photo, but you can upscale it. So what you want to do is click on tools on the left-hand side, and it's already built inside of Hooked with all their several other features, but you just click on upscale and then click on send, and then it'll essentially generate an upscaled image. So if you want it a little bit sharper, that is an option too. All right, now let's do the second one because I want to show you this works no matter what style you're going for. So for this one, I'm going to model a different type of thumbnail. I am going to choose this one from Humphrey Yang. In this video, he's got that big graph going up, and then to the right, we have a money number on it, and then it just has that account balance going up look. But instead of his 60,000 salary to 1.5 million net worth, I wanted to make it my own. So I am going to do the same thing over here, click on share, copy the link. Then once I have the link, just paste it in over here, and then we can see that it copied the correct video. And again, if you have a video script, you can go ahead and add it here, but it is optional. Click on next. So over here now I'm going to upload a photo. So I uploaded a photo where I'm actually pointing. So that way the AI has something real to work with, and it lines my hand up with the graph naturally. And then I'm going to click on next in the description. And here I'm going to tell it keep the graph style with the line going up and to the right, but put save 10K as the big text and add set this up once underneath and put me on the left hand side so it looks like I am pointing at the graph. So the pointing detail matters because when I upload a video where I'm actually pointing, again, they can show that I'm pointing at the graph. Then click on generate thumbnail, and again, it takes less than a minute and 20 seconds. And there it is, save 10K, set this up once. We have the green graph climbing up behind me and me on the left pointing right at it. So it came out exactly how I wanted it. Two completely different styles, both modeled off proven winners and both done in minutes. If you've got the free trial open, pause here and build one yourself. Seriously, it lands so much harder and it shocks you when you see your own face replaced in the thumbnail. Link down below if you want to try it out. So the generate step already gives you something great straight out of the gate. I went ahead and played around with this thumbnail. I added in different photos, but let me show you how to take it from good to perfect because Hooked has a whole editor built inside of the app. And once you know these tools, you can basically fix anything. So the easiest one is what I just did. It's just talking to the Hooked agent directly, like you're texting your designer friend. You type what you want and it does it. So on that second thumbnail, I literally typed swap the background of this image, attached a reference, and it redid the background while keeping me and the text exactly in place, and it came back in seconds. But the real power is in the tools menu, and each option fixes a specific problem. Face swap puts your own character plus model in, so it's truly you in there. Smart fill is for cleanup. You paint over anything you want gone, describes what goes in there instead, and it fills it in. Context in paint is the more advanced version of that for when you want real control over one specific spot. Then there's upscale, which is what I basically use on every thumbnail. One click and it sharpens everything up to a higher resolution. So if your first version looks a little soft, this makes it look professional. And the last two edits are really cool. Reference edit lets you drop in a specific object like a logo or a product. Just upload it and click where you want it. And character edit changes your pose or expression without redoing the whole thumbnail while still keeping it looking like you. And here's what makes all of this stress-free. Every edit gets saved in a version history along the bottom so you can try something bold and just flip back if you don't like it. Nothing is ever lost, so you never have to nail it on the first try. So now I've got two finished, polished thumbnails in totally different styles, and the whole thing just took a few minutes. A freelancer would have charged me 80 bucks for that and taken 2 days. So now let's talk about cost and see if it's actually worth it. Hooked runs on credits. One thumbnail is 1 credit and you subscribe for a fresh batch each cycle. Go annual and you'd get 2 months free, so that's the one I'd point you to. There are 3 plans and the only real difference is how many thumbnails you make. Basic is around $200 a year for 420 credits, which comes out to 420 thumbnails, which is plenty to start. Pro is the popular one at $450 a year for 1,200 credits with priority support, and Ultimate is $990 a year for 3,000 credits plus a commercial license. And the more you make, the cheaper each one gets, from about 48 cents on Basic down to 33 on Ultimate. Now compare that to the freelance editor at $40 to $50 a thumbnail. Post 4 videos a month and that's nearly $2,000 per year, before you even count in your own time. The basic plan costs less for a whole year than 2 months of paying an editor. So it's really not about the monthly price. You're paying cents per thumbnail, you're not waiting on anyone, and you can finally get that time back. So that's 2 thumbnails, 2 different styles built from scratch in the time it would have taken me to even open Photoshop. You saw the whole thing from start to finish, and if there's one thing I want you to take from this, it's that your time is worth protecting. You don't have to keep losing hours to this, you can just make it yourself in minutes and get back to the work that actually matters. The free trial's linked down below, so go make your first one before you spend a thing. It is an affiliate link, so if you do choose to use it, we may earn a small commission and no extra cost to you. Honestly, I think you'll be surprised from how fast it clicks. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.